Welcome to Alary Technologies Managed Device Setup. Upon receiving your device, follow the unboxing procedure as you see here by removing all packaging from your computer. As soon as your display is opened, the machine will turn on to the Hello screen. From here, you will click the Continue button and then choose your language, region, and Wi-Fi. You will also have the opportunity to access any of the accessibility features that you may want on your computer at this time. After entering in your Wi-Fi password and your device connects to Wi-Fi, it will then take you to the Remote Management screen. The Remote Management screen will automatically download all of the necessary applications you need for your workflow and also download and install the appropriate security measures to keep your information and the company's information safe and secure. Afterwards, select your time zone, and then it will take us to the Microsoft Single Sign-On screen. You will enter in your Microsoft ID, and the setup will complete itself. And that's how easy it is to complete a managed device setup with Alary Technologies.